Hello! It's October 19th, and we have another crane coming here today because we need to put steel beams on top of those steel columns behind me. Steel beams have arrived. Crane is here. As we know, with cranes, they need to have their outriggers out. So this time they put them in my neighbor's yard and front part of the driveway. We're just gonna see if we can crack every single part of the driveway with these outriggers. No, I'm just kidding. The operator of the crane's name is Dave, and the guy who owns the steel company, his name is Dave. My former deputy inspector is named Dave. Wave at the camera, Dave! You wave? I never know if these guys think I'm an idiot or annoying or what. So they made the columns a little high, so he's cutting it off right now with a grinder. All right, he's got the orange ball attached to the steel beam. My crane operator looks a little bored. Here it comes. I was considerably calmer today and less stressed out than the first time the crane came to our house and had to move that gigantic auger. I think it's because 1,000 pounds, while still heavy, is a lot less than 20,000 pounds. That's 1,000 pounds just dangling like a orange on an orange tree, more like a 1,000-pound orange. I did get yelled at by the guy for standing right underneath the beam there with that shot. Anything for construction now. Okay, it's on there. Now they have to weld it. I just couldn't get enough of this welding. It's so fascinating. Look at those sparks. Oh man, I love it. Love the sparks. And here is the finished product. There it is. Steel beams on top of steel columns. Steel on steel. Doesn't get steelier than that.